GPD offers two radiator replacement options for the 2016 to 2022 Dodge Durango and Jeep Grand Cherokee applications. Although both radiators appear to be compatible with the Dodge and Jeep applications, there's a key difference that can't be overlooked: the core size and the cooling fan assemblies they're designed to work with. Using a radiator with the wrong core size can seriously impact cooling efficiency, increase the risk of overheating, and shorten the lifespan of the cooling system, especially under demanding driving conditions. Radiator 13662C is designed with heavy-duty cooling and features a 26mm 1-inch core. Applications with a heavy-duty cooling radiator 13662C will be fitted with cooling fan assembly 2812096, which has a round plug connector. Radiator 13656C is designed with standard cooling and features a 16mm 5/8-inch core. Applications with a standard cooling radiator 13656C will be fitted with cooling fan assembly 2811733, which has a square plug connector. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.